I'm Lisa Hamilton. We've lived here for 6 years now, and over the course of that time, we've had plenty of time to think about what we want to change in this kitchen. The cabinetry in here is far too modern for the look of the rest of the house, and a lot of the finishes are also very worn and dated. My process for redesigning the kitchen has involved a lot of consultation with friends who have also renovated their kitchens. I've also gone to the interior design show for several years. I've checked out different designs and following one of my magazine articles, and I've torn out many pictures, and one of them happens to be one that Amy Dillon from AyA Kitchens had designed. So it seemed to me a natural fit.
So I'm really excited. We've made all the final choices today for Lisa's kitchen. We've decided on a shaker door style. We're gonna go with Pacifica, which is a clean, traditional shaker style. We're gonna go with the oyster color, so it's a very soft white with a little bit of a gray undertone. And we've also made the choice on the countertops. We're gonna do Cambria, and the color is Britannica. It's a nice white with a gray veining, and we've decided to do something really beautiful with the backsplash and carry that up as a full height backsplash. So I think it's gonna be really spectacular on the range hood wall.
Sean, our installer, was amazing. I love that the cabinetry is all hung perfectly. The way he lined up the hardware, made sure there were no gaps anywhere. I think the door style that we chose, it's a bit of a shaker, but a little narrower. So it doesn't really have a country feel. It has a little bit more of a modern feel, especially with the hardware that I put with it. So I think it fits really well with the transitional style of our house. I really loved working with Amy. I feel like she really listened, not just to what I was saying, but to what I was really trying to achieve. Even though I'd planned this kitchen for nearly 6 years and had a very strong sense of what I wanted to achieve, when it came right down to it, those final questions, what kind of sink, what kind of faucet, what kind of hardware, it was really very overwhelming, and I was so grateful to have Amy help steer me through that. The biggest challenge with this kitchen from a structural perspective was, in order to have the stove I wanted, I needed to have a powerful range hood, which required an 8-inch vent. Amy came up with a great idea for a bulkhead that now runs the vent in a very short distance, making it a lot more efficient. And that style is now echoed through the tops of all of the cabinets, which makes them a lot more functional. All in all, I feel like I now have the kitchen that this house was meant to have.